Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use split screen on Samsung. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to start using split screen on your device, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to use split screen on Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead, locate and open the application you want to use split screen with. So here, let's say the Facebook application or the Instagram application. Once open the application just like this, close the application, then go ahead and open all your recent application. So once open all recent application on your Samsung device, locate and click on the app logo. Once you click on that, then go ahead and click on open in split screen view. Then once you click on that, then you should see the app opened in split screen view. Now you can now go ahead and open other application you want to use in split screen view. So here I have my Instagram account opened, and then at the same time I have my Facebook account opened. You see that? So you can use both Instagram, Facebook, or any other application in split screen view on your Samsung. Now you can also close the split screen view. To close it, just locate the middle and then drag it down, and this is going to open only the application you want to use, or open it as well. To open a recent application, click on the app logo, select open in split screen view, then go ahead and open the application. You can also come to this menu, press and hold it. So just press and hold the menu and then drag up one of it to open in this kind of pop-up. You see that? So you have it as pop-up on the other application. So you can expand it or close it, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to use split screen on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.